Hello and welcome to my channel. So the last video I did a little test. This one I'm going to take that out and then that should stop it from over counting. Okay, and I'm going to remove these lines. So after I remove them lines, I'm going to go to loser, and that's going to be everywhere cleaned up. Okay, let me just check this. So it's doing the right behavior now. The keys are becoming active at the right place and everything like that. So I'm going to switch it off. And there's one thing else I'm going to do. I'm gonna open up a site. Before I do that, I'm gonna pause the video, then I'm gonna open up a site and come back with the site open. Okay, this is what I wanted to show you. Here it says the time between the player finishing the sequence and the game playing the sequence again with an extra color is 0.8 seconds. Now the easiest way for us to get that, because there's other reason why we need a pause. For example, someone's gonna play the tune to us, and then it's our turn. So we play, and say we get it correct. We want it to pause and as if it's thinking, and then it's gonna play another tune to us. And that's what that is talking about. But also generally in the game we want that pause. So what we have to do is we have to introduce a delay. And we're just gonna hard code it in. So I'm gonna find the heartbeat function. And I'm going to create a hard coded equals, I'm gonna do exactly what they want there, 800. So I'm gonna have to work this out now. That's going to be duration plus gap times I. Okay, all we have to do is add the delay here. I think that's right. So I'm gonna start it. Right there. Oh, it's gone there wrong. Okay, so let's start that again. Can you see now that after the loser function finishes, there's a slight delay? Now, can you see something? You know when the loser function finishes, it changes back to 1, and then the key flashes. Can you see that? It changes to 1 first, and then the key flashes. Now, what I ideally want is, I want it to stay on that display, and then as soon as the key starts, the 1 flashes up. Okay. Now this, let me see, where is that done again? Init. Flash can start game. Nah, this is where it's done. This is gonna go to heartbeat at this stage. So if I go to heartbeat, that's gonna play the first tune here. Let me think. Let me just think. Yeah, and that's gonna re-render here. So as soon as it gets here, it's gonna re-render. So ideally, I would want this. I'm gonna put a comment in here. I'll take this whole line and put it as a comment. Okay, so I would like to say, for instance, this is how you do it in Backbone. S-I-N. And that's what I need at this point. But I'm not sure whether React has got that functionality. If it hasn't got it, then I may either look for another way to do it, or I may leave it as it is. Okay, now this is phase. Let me just leave that running. This video, phase 1 is now over. Now, this part is, to me, the most exciting part, because what we're now going to do is we're going to play with events. So we're going to use some React features here, some heavy React features, because this is in a different class as this. So we have to use some React features to get both of them to talk to each other so that you can pass events and other stuff to each other. Okay. Also, we got problems to face, like for instance, if I press the yellow key down and I lift it up, if I've got two events on there, I might press it down here, come over here and lift it up, and what that will means is I'll press the key down, lift it up here, oops, and I won't be able to switch it off. Because if I press it down there, lift it up here, it's going to still be playing. So if I press that and lift that up again, then I'll have to do that. Okay, so we've got some exciting times ahead. This part, phase 1 was probably, especially the part where it was doing all the callbacks together. That's probably the most complicated it's going to get. The rest of this is just going to be really nice, and you're going to get to see some React features. So I'm really excited and looking forward to doing the next video. So until next time, bye.